Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get Michelangelo and Raid Shadow Legends. If you're looking to get Michelangelo and Raid Shadow Legends, he's part of a limited time event, so you can only acquire him while it's active. The event can come back occasionally, but for now, this is your chance. You can find him in the Chase Hub, located next to the daily login rewards. The event works kind of like a daily login challenge. By logging in for at least 7 days, you'll earn enough to unlock Michelangelo, the legendary attack champion. If you continue for 14 days, you can even claim his perfect soul, which gives extra upgrades. Think of it as a two-phase reward system. The first week nets you the champion, and the second week adds more value with the soul. So the key is just being consistent. Log in daily, complete the event objectives, and you'll unlock Michelangelo without needing shards or summons. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.